tradition is that Gauri, the mother of Ganpati, comes the earlier day, and many families in our community they have to perform the pujas, and Gauri is brought as coconuts. The coconuts are decorated, eyes, nose, and everything is made on them, and then we pray to the God Gauri and Shankar Mahadev, Gauri Mahadev. After the puja and after
It's called Vaina Puja.
yeah, it is called Vaina Puja. And after the Vaina Puja, the ladies used to get together in the stilt or wherever we had our Ganpati Pandal, and we used to get started with the flower making. The children used to go and get flowers, loose flowers, as well as garlands, from Dadar flower market. Pran Pratishtha is invoking life into the idol, That is a important puja which is performed after the Gana Homa on the first day itself. The Bhatti performs it, but the presence of the president of the Ganesh Utsav committee is very necessary. He is supposed to perform it according to the Bhadji's instructions. He does it, and then after that the Bhadji goes. The Aarti is done and the Bhadji goes, and then he comes for the Madhyan Puja, which usually is quite late on the first day. They say 12:30, but it goes to 1:30, even 2, because many of the families in the residential families have Ganpatis at home, and after their home puja is done, they come down. After the Pran Pratishtha is performed, the Madhyan Puja is performed, which is a very important puja during the Ganpati pujas. It is usually after 12:30, but on the first day the Bhadji comes very late, and even then it is done very sanctifully. Madhyan Puja, the family or the host who performs it, his wife has to cook everything at home. It's a very elaborate lunch on the first day. And in for Nevedya, Gorkhova is there, Panchamrit is there, and then Appams are there. And in the thali present offered to God, all our JSB food, elaborate, tasty food is there. We all know that Ganpati Bappa loved food. He was a foodie. That is why he had a big stomach, I think. He ate in every house. Anyway, kotta, rice, madigana, then one sukke, then one dalita. It's okay if I talk in Konkani? Yeah. And then podis, which was very necessary, and patroli. Everything was made. Whatever, there were some 21 items also to be total to be offered to God. The thali was offered to God, the Bhadji put a teeth on it, and it was given to him. And then the Aarti was performed. 5 Aartis are performed at Madhyan Puja. After the Aarti is performed, then Prasad Vitarana is given Prasad is given. And on the day that Bhadji is performing for the family, he has to have his lunch with the family members at the family house who performed the Madhyan Puja. And he was also offered the Dakshina then itself. That was the Madhyan Puja. Many houses, in fact, most of the houses invited the volunteers, the committees or the children's friends. They wanted a chance to make them come in, and they also loved it. In our house, Madhumita's friends, Manoj's friends, and Madhushri's friends. Apart from that, no one else. In the Bhadji and my relatives used to come, my siblings, my nieces, nephews. So, it was not only the society's function, it was the extended families who also got involved in it. No? Yeah.
I know Mamta, Sujata.
Yeah, everyone, yeah.
Pinky.
Sons and daughters who were not staying on the location, they used to come from wherever they were staying, early in the morning or after their puja was performed. So it was a great thing, the feeling of Ganpati coming to the society. 5 days used to just, like we say in our Konkani, run. It never ran, but means got over very fast.